hope the VMT do when defect occurs on the CNC machining parts during the production, and ensure that the CNC parts can be delivered in time. Hi everyone, this is Mia from VMT. When defect occurs on CNC machining parts, first we will check whether other parts will have the same problem to determine whether it is caused for the batch or just single pieces. If it is in the batches, then we will create the production batch number and find out the time of this batch. Then we can distinguish these CNC machine parts. Secondly, we will check the IPQC inspection report and first inspection report to see if this type of CNC machining abnormality has ever occurred. If it has happened, then make adjustment based on the original records to effectively solve the problem and to avoid the delivery delays. The above is a solution to CNC machining parts factories take when encountering quality issues. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about CNC machining, please leave a message